Matlab is a high-level programming language and interactive environment primarily used for numerical computation, data analysis, and visualization. Did you know that Matlab also has an Android application for which you can create a free account? The Matlab Android app is a mobile version of Matlab that allows users to access Matlab Online, a cloud-based version of Matlab, directly from their Android devices. I will show you how to create this free account. First, download the Matlab application from the Google Play Store. After downloading and installing, open the app. Here, you can go through a short survey related to using Matlab. Click on the Sign In button. Now click on the link that says Create One. Here we create a MathWorks account that we will use to use the Matlab application. Enter your email address. Choose your country. Enter your first and last name. Click on Continue. You will receive a notification that a personal email address has been detected rather than an email from a scientific institution. Check the box that says Use this email for my MathWorks account and click Continue. Now we need to activate the account by logging into Gmail and clicking on the verification link that was sent. The email has arrived. This is the verification button. We have also received a notification that the profile has been verified. Now you can return to the application and click Continue. Create a strong password. Check the box to accept the online services agreement and click Continue. Here the app asks us if we have a Matlab license. The basic commands, file creation, data visualization, and so on are also offered to us with the free option. For free use of Matlab, click on the No button. Of course, you can also purchase this product. Let's wait a moment for the application to load. Click on Continue. And here we are. I will test if the application works by simply adding two numbers. As you can see, we can also use trigonometric functions and so on. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe for more useful tutorials.